Hello, guys. Welcome back to DBT session. So, what is DBT? So, why we need to learn DBT? What if we learn DBT? What are the advantages? So many questions into your mind, right? Yes, I will reveal all your doubts. What is the use of DBT? What are the advantages? And do you know how DBT works as a data engineer? Yeah, presently, DBT is a very hot skill. It is in the market, it is a very hottest tool. So, suddenly if you put some resume and trying for jobs and you are not getting calls like if you put only one two skills present, okay, the present scenario I'm talking about. So if you keep four five skills in your resume, then only you guys will get a call from HR and saying that, and they will be asking some set of skills. Do you know DBT? Do you know Snowflake? Do you know GCP? Do you know Python? Do you know Airflow? Do you know any orchestration tools? So like that, so many questions the HR will be in listing in their list. Okay. So present DBT is a very hot demand, guys, in the market. So if you learn DBT with any data warehousing concepts, so you will crack easily the interviews, whatever. See, it's easy to understand. Okay. Even in the initial stage of my phase of my data engineering, I have only very less experience, but so I felt it is very difficult. So DPT is very difficult. So how can I crack the interviews? How can I improve my skills in DBT? And any new skill we need to upskill. Okay, so we need to upskill ourselves whenever the market is going up. We need to upskill. So without upskilling ourselves, we will not get good jobs. That's you agree? You agree, right? Yeah, coming to the DBT parts, I will show you what are the best opportunities you'll get. So I will show you step by step, like what will be our good opportunities if you learn DBT, and including with DBT, Snowflake is a very best combination as so far. Okay. So coming to what are the best opportunities you can get if you learn DBT. You are seeing here, right? I opened a Naukri profile. So in DBT, if we learn with some 2 3 years experience, we will get 2x of your salary, highest package. Okay. So currently, if you are getting 4 lakhs per annum, if you upskill with DBT with Snowflake or DBT with Databricks, Synapse, so any data warehousing concepts with DBT, it will definitely 2x 3x your packages. I'm sure about it. Okay, so that is how we have to upskill ourselves with the demanding tools in as per our market. Okay, so now coming to how you can achieve this. So for everything we will have some trainings, right? So by ourselves, how can we learn? It's not possible. So it's not possible in the sense we can learn, but we have to we need some guidance, correct or not? So we need some guidance, right? So here I am giving you some help, like some I will. Yes, how I will help you, like how we can achieve this. So we have some set of trainings available here in this in our so our team will connect you. So you can attend any trainings, the courses available here, Snowflake, DBT, IACS, SQL. So you can enroll by yourself. Okay. So by seeing all the projects, the practice sets, the SQL, see, people will be having some illusion like, I don't know SQL skills. So how can I crack the exams? How can I crack the interview tests? Like it is very important, guys. Believe yourself. SQL is not a big deal. We can achieve. Okay, we have many practice sets available. Even we have a YouTube channel. So there we teach all the SQL from scratch. Whoever doesn't know, select star from table. That query onwards we will teach you. So from scratch of SQL to till you write big codes. till some 200, 300 lines of codings you will write. Okay, definitely you will improve yourself by hearing all the stories. And here we have mentioned our number. Okay, so you can connect with our team. So or you register yourself, or our team itself will contact to you, like you will get. And main thing is you will get certified also, guys. With if you contact us, we will upgrade your skills, high quality training and flexible timings. No need to join that particular period itself. Okay, so and one more thing, if you get certified with Snowflake, we have Snow Pro, Snow Advanced Data Engineers, right? So if you get certified with the direct these things now, you will get easily too many calls from our top MNCs like Google, Microsoft, Mindtree, TCS, Accenture, so like that. Okay, so if you need any help, just let us know, and without getting further delay, we just go into our DBT session. So these are all things I wanted to let you know before going to our DBT, because people will get some doubts, right? Okay, I want to learn this. So what is the where I need to go? Where to whom we should trust? So there are number of market trainings are happening. They will only take the money and they will not help you. So here it is not like that. Until you get a job, we are responsible, and we are responsible for your future jobs. Okay, so that is our Cloud Hill responsibilities, and we give quality training. Don't think that we will take money and we will not guide you properly, like that. Okay, so we it is a very trustable website and trustable team. You can blindly trust the persons. Okay, yeah, coming to next part, like what is DBT? So DBT is what exactly, do you know, guys, what is DBT and what it actually does? Yes, DBT is a data build tool. So what is data build tool? What is data build? Data build is nothing but a data transformation. So the raw data, like we will suppose we will load some data from our external stages to Snowflake. So the raw data, it comes from Snowflake, then it takes to DBT. There we develop some set of models as per the DBT particular models. So based on the requirements. So we all know, right? Agile methodology. So some our client required some creating one model according to their requirements. So we need to build some models, right? By using SQL queries and configurations. So that things and all we will talk about later. Now, today we will discuss DBT and its advantages and how we connect to Snowflake, the pipeline between DBT to Snowflake, DBT to the repository. So this we will do, okay? Yeah, what is DBT? Why DBT? Why we need DBT? Anybody knows? DBT, I as already told you, right? It is a data build tool and it is focused on the data transformation part. And it is not a ETL tool, guys. It is not at all a ETL tool. So it is a ELT tool. What is ELT tool? Extract, load, transform. As I give an example now, the raw data coming to Snowflake, that means extracting the data from other stages, then loading the data, then we will transform the data. Where we are transforming? By using DBT models. Okay, so that is the DBT. So DBT is just a transforming data. Okay, it is mainly focused on the transformations. And why we needed DBT? Why we needed DBT? DBT is very useful for coding purposes. That means the development phase. See, what anywhere Snowflake also we do development, DBT also we do development. What is the differences that you will come to know in the next classes? You only will tell after listening my classes. Na, you will only come to know what is the differences between the developing in DBT, developing in Snowflake. So, and we have inbuilt testing in the DBT. Here we have some singular and generic tests available in the DBT. So here we save lot of time. No need to write the queries. No need to write queries, right? As it is, the DBT will take care of the testing parts. Okay, duplicates, not nulls. So example I'm saying, and deployment. It is having that we can easily deploy. For deployment purpose, it is very important tool is a DBT. Okay, and documentation. Documentation. Some people will say you have created this dimensions and facts. You create one documentation on this. Our client will request that time what we will do, no need to write, sit and write for hours. Just go to DBT, open the model, and we will have the documentation ready in seconds, like that. So, and data lineage. What is data lineage? The dependencies. The main focus of DBT is the referring the dependencies. Suppose you have created 100 models, 100 dimensions in the DBT. So there you need to refer. First, 100 models you need to refer. Can't go each step by step, right? So by seeing the lineage itself, you will come to know the dependencies, the references, the sources of the models. Okay. And sooner we will learn what is data lineage in depth. I'm just giving a high level, guys, now. Okay. Now coming to advantages. Advantages testing, as I told, testing. Testing is a main focus in DBT. Here, no need to write queries for testing purpose. It been built. We will having testing cases in DBT. And macros. What is macros and changes? Macros are the reusable SQL codes. Okay, it is just a reusable codes. We can use it. Okay. Next, CI/CD integrations. So pipeline CI/CD integrations. What is CI/CD? Continuous integrations, continuous deployments. Okay. So that also it is easily possible with a DBT orchestration. So the data flows. So it is also one of the best tool available in the DBT. And data lineage. As I already told you, data lineage referring the references and sources. Now coming to the DBT, how we can create DBT. Okay, how we will, I myself will create one DBT account and create pipeline to Snowflake. So if you guys having any doubts, just comment on this or contact us so that we can easily help you, like how any doubts means we will answer you on spot. Okay, that is the main motto of this class. So if you get any doubt, immediately just put a comment, I will definitely reply you. Okay, and coming to the DBT session. Let's start step by step. Okay. Now I already have my Snowflake. And before going to DBT session, one thing you should have one Snowflake account. And mainly you should have one Gmail account. Okay. So Gmail account is compulsory to connect the DBT. Okay. So now I opened DBT. Okay. From initial, how you DBT cloud login, just enter. So DBT Cloud login, like this, the UI will be there, and we need to do. Sorry, we need to create a code, right? By mistake, I have done because I'm used to it, so I'm just doing. So now we can try DBT Cloud free. Just set up a account. So here they will ask just simple questions. Email ID. We need one email ID, guys. To create this DBT account, we need one email ID. So I'm just using one of my email ID. Just put whatever password is okay for you. Just put that. Give all the details correctly, and it's easy, guys. It's very easy to create an account. Here it will ask some questions. Just give, okay. So it will send our mail. So we need to verify this. Once we verify, only our account will be okay. Yes, we have done. We have given email ID, right? See, please verify your email. So go to your email, whichever you are. See, guys, it will not come. I mean, whenever you send email verification, and don't see in inbox or in. So just go and check in the spams. Okay, sometimes it will goes to spam. So don't waste time by seeing in the inboxes and all. Okay, so just go to the inboxes and see. And DBT Cloud. See, I got without knowing, I put sent again. So I got too many notifications on the DBT Cloud. So you are seeing, right? Welcome and thank you for signing the DBT Cloud. So verify your email ID. So we need to verify like this. Please log in to verify your email address. So we need to give our email and the password, whatever you have given before while registering in the DBT. Okay. See, actually, previously it is not showing like that. Okay, SMS is for only US numbers like that. It is showing. So I followed Google Authenticator. So you also install Google Authenticator in your phone. It is very easy. The email whichever you given for DBT registration. So that registration you need to do in your phone also. Okay, it is available in for both iPhone and Android. So just register with this QR code, you will get the code. Okay, so that code you need to enter here 456043, and you copy this code to somewhere in the notepad. Why? Because you wanted to sometime I mean, no need to. If you don't have mobile in your hand, so that time you can log in with this code. So that time it is okay, it is useful. That is why I'm saying just copy it somewhere and put it. It's okay, right, to copy some codes in your system. So just like that, you copy it. Okay. So I have verified my address, and now you need to log in. So I already verified. Okay. Now log into DBT Cloud. Just log in DBT Cloud, login like that. DBT Cloud login. So login. So you can do that one-time code. Um, 7 4. So we are set up. We already done. Why it is coming again and again? I've already verified, right? Then why it is coming again? Yeah, again it came. Let's do. Verify your email address. Yes. Now we are done. Okay. So complete project setup. So we have some steps to follow this. And now we need to follow step by step. Complete project setup, name of your project, and configure your development environment, connection. And as I told, we need to build a pipeline between DBT to Snowflake. So now I'm giving a new connection, right? I just added my account right newly, right? So I need to give some connections. So add new connection. What I'm doing, so you can see here what and all we can connect: Snowflake, SQL, BigQuery, Redshift, Databricks, Apache Spark, Starburst, Synapse. So these are all available for the connections with the DBT. So now I need to connect with Snowflake. Okay. And Snowflake account. Now I will log in with Snowflake account. So I already created my Snowflake account. I hope you also know how to create a Snowflake account, right? So if you don't know, don't worry. I will teach you from the scratch, I said, right? So if you don't know, just let me know. I will create one more video how we can create a Snowflake account. Okay. So now I will show you where we can copy the account. So here it is asking account, right? Account. So the account details, I will show you. So go to your profile. Go to your profile. This is our account details. We account details, and you can see this. Okay. And no, you should not copy everything. You have to copy till 7. Remove that dot also. Okay. I will remove here while pasting. See, this is our account. Okay. And database. Database I already created. See, create database like this. Okay. You can create dv underscore dbt dv underscore dbtg underscore SF. So this is my database, and warehouse is compute underscore WH. So compute, where we can see this is our warehouse. So who and all don't know where is the warehouse, what is a database. So this everything we will cover up in our Snowflake sessions. So if you really don't know the basics of Snowflakes, please attend the Snowflake classes, which is available in the cloudhill.com. Okay. So that's what. And role is a optional, so not required. Keep session alive. So I'm saving my connection. Okay. That's it. We have given a connection with Snowflake. Now we need to develop, right? We have given a Snowflake connection. Now we need to uh, set up a project. So go select develop. So here we will get complete projects. Here we have given a connection with Snowflake. But for what project we need to do that and all we need to set up. Now I have given a Snowflake connection. So for this connection, we need to develop some credentials. So what credentials it is required? Whatever we have given for Snowflake. So that means that the user ID and the password and the Snowflake credentials we need to mention here, and the schema also we need to mention. Okay. And there will be two auth methods. So generally in DBT cloud we can the clients generally they will purchase, right? So we can easily log in with our SSO. So that is what key pair. So user ID password, like we will be learning, right? We cannot purchase. It will be like $100, $200. Okay. So we cannot purchase. The auth method we will select user ID and password. And username is what? Our username. Okay. So go to our profile. You will find username here. Okay. So this is our username, and password also you need to give. Correct credentials is important while registering the DBT with Snowflake. Okay. So write it somewhere and maintain the same password and connection to make easy. Okay. DTBL underscore DV underscore the schema, whatever I created, we need to give. DTBL underscore DBTL underscore, sorry. DVTL underscore DV underscore SCH. So this is our created schema. So target name is default and test connection. You need to test the connection. See, setup, there will be some steps, setup, testing connection and complete. So let's see whether our testing connection is successful or not. Yes, our test connection is completed. Save. That's it. So we already completed our project setup with DBT to Snowflake. Now the other important thing is repository. So what is repository first of all? So here DBT will only write the codes. It will not save anywhere, right? It doesn't have any cloud. So I mean, it will only hold the data but cannot store the data, right? That is why DBT requires one repository. So whenever we know, so DBT is important for deployment and the CI/CD. I told you right in the beginning. So here we will create one repository for storing our all codes, all our project related activities. We will store in one repository. That is nothing but our Git repository. So here we are going to create one GitHub repository. Okay. Connect GitHub account. So far I didn't create any GitHub. I am creating new one. Okay. So create an account. Go here and use whatever email you have. So I am using the same email ID, whatever I given for DBT. Okay. So any username you can give. Okay. So I'm just giving GitHub DF like this. It is already used. Is not available. I'll just add T. That is also available. Okay. This I will give. Oh, reserved key. Okay, I will do some other data df yes 8. Oh, yeah, this is available. Our GitHub repository is like this. The name we should give, okay, that will reflect in our account, in our DBT. So we will go data. Yeah, we need to write this. That was not quite right. Okay. Yeah, we have done. Okay. So now we will get again code to our GitHub launch code. I got right. So just copy this and go to your GitHub and paste. Just remember your things, okay? Like this also we can copy. Let me do. Swati. Yeah, see, it will come like this. DBT Labs would like to permission authorize DBT Cloud. Again, we need to give, guys. Don't worry that it is asking again and again. Yes, of course. Previously, we connected DBT with Snowflake. Now we are connecting the connections with Git. Okay. So again, it will test our connection. We need to have patience. Just be patient, guys. Don't worry. It is asking again and again. What is this like that? Don't worry. It will take some time. Just have some patience and so it will come like this second time. So install DBT Cloud. Install on your personal account data DF8. So just press install. That's it. That's it. Don't touch anywhere. Okay. Just enter. Again, login. Now we are checking the connection with Git repository to DB. That is what we are doing. Okay. Test connection again. 3 times it will ask, guys. So if you go to anybody also, this is what they help. So 3 times it will ask. Okay. And GitHub. See what we created data DF8. So now we didn't create any repository so far. So we need to create one repository so that that repository will be created here. So let's create one GitHub repository. Yeah, I will create one GitHub repository. Okay. We'll close all unnecessary things. Yeah, we will just log in our Git because we need to create one repository name. Then only it will be available in our DBT. We have so far we created only Git account. Okay, we didn't create any repository, right? So that is why it is asking. See, so in this repository, we need to create, give any name, DBT code like that. Any name is okay. Just create repository. That's it. Our Git is ready now. So now GitHub integration. So connection you need to do again for that connection. Okay. Test connection. Initially, it will take some time. Otherwise, okay. See, it is reflected now. So DBT code. Yes. That's it. Our project is ready now. So start developing in the EDE. So initialize your project. After initializing our project, all our models will be, see, DBT has its own set of files, okay? So we should not disturb this. This we cannot delete and we should not disturb. Okay, this is how we need to maintain the files also. And see, like this we need to, and commit and sync. Why we are committing means we are accepting the changes. So all these changes will be maintained in our Git, right? We have maintained in Git now. So I will show you how in Git it is. Just go to DBT code. Here you will find. So whatever we developed in DBT, you found here, right? See macros, models, everything it is there. So without committing, it will not save, obviously, right? We need to commit whatever the changes you are doing in the DBT. Okay. Now let's go create. I will help you how to see. We have already connected Snowflake with DBT, right? Select current user. Sorry. Yeah. Who is the user? This is my username, right? I created in this I linked with DBT to Snowflake now. So this is the username I have given. So that's it. Now we will try one doing one this thing. Create one snowflake table. Okay. Here we will create one snowflake table. Here, see, create or replace table employee ID and varchar. See, this just a simple table I created. Okay. And I have added just two sample rows to show you how it will work. Select star from what is the name I have given? Employee. Okay. See, why I have removed this one? So, see, actually in DBT, we can only write the select statements. We cannot put the colon and run the query. So, that is not possible in DBT. To show that I have added, okay? Select star from employee. I have added two rows in the Snowflake table, right? So, those rows will reflect in the, see, I have given two employee IDs and name, Sweetie and Sita. So, what I created in the Snowflake is reflecting in the DBT. That is what I wanted to confirm with you. I mean, show you what Snowflake does and what DBT works. So we have connected DBT to Snowflake, DBT to Git. So what Git does, it stores all our data. Okay, so that is what today's class. Hope you guys enjoyed it and understand it instead of saying that. So if you get any doubts, please get back to me. I will clear all your doubts. Okay. So for further information, get in touch with our team for more details and any if you want to listen Snowflake classes, and we give corporate trainings as well, and we have available courses available for Snowflake, DBT, IICS, Informatica. Okay, so don't step backside and think I can't do it. It's not late. Start from today. Get your job within 3 months with highest paid salaries. Okay. You will get 2x, 3x of your current packages. That is for sure. So don't delay. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye.